Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I also thank the honourable member. Mr. Speaker, sir, whole of today we have discussed about Ministry of Employment, and it gives me an opportunity now to give some data on what Ministry has been doing. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Labour Standard Service of my Ministry is responsible for the enforcement and compliance of the Employment Relations Act 2007, 10 Wages Regulation, and the National Minimum Wage. My staff conducted labour inspections to ensure that workers are given their rightful and legitimate dues and to ensure that employers comply with the provision of the Employment Relations Act 2007. Mr. Speaker, for the last financial year, the compliance section of my ministry has conducted a total of 3,907 labour compliance inspections and investigated and settled 3,034 labour complaints registered with my ministry for non-compliance issues on wages due, annual leave, overtime and meal allowance. Mr. Speaker, the total recovery for the last financial year stands at 4.3 million, which has been paid out to the workers. Mr. Speaker, for the current financial year, from 1st August 2019 to 31st January 2020, the compliance section has conducted a total of 1,750 labour inspections and has investigated and settled a total of 1,239 labour complaints on non-compliance issues. The total recovery for the current financial year stands at 856,529.89 cents, and payments have been made to all those workers, Mr. Speaker. The compliance section of my ministry has charged 38 companies in this current financial year for non-compliance issue, and the matters are before the Employment Relations Tribunal. Mr. Speaker, the compliance section of my ministry, as part of the awareness and proactive approach in fostering good faith and harmonious employment relations with workers and employers, has conducted 2,989 on-site and face-to-face awareness on Employment Relations Act 2007, together with the relevant wages regulation in the current financial year. Mr. Speaker, employers and workers have been advised on the annual leave, sick leave, and family care leave. Mr. Speaker, we have also advised them on the hours of work and payment of overtime and meal allowance for the workers. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.